Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You begin by verifying compatibility and connectivity so SharePlay can run. Connect to Wi-Fi or a strong hotspot and make sure your device and each participant are on updated software. This prevents session drops. Once done, open the app you intend to share, start the FaceTime call, and hit SharePlay or share content. You'll choose whether to share your screen or app media. Pick the correct option so playback and controls sync for everyone immediately. Now you focus on permissions and control settings because mismatches cause failures. Open Settings and enable screen recording and the app's SharePlay permission. Make sure microphone and camera access remain active for FaceTime. Next, manage playback controls so everyone can play, pause, or skip. This is often in the app's SharePlay prompt. If someone can't control playback, reissue the control share or have them rejoin. You'll see a small SharePlay badge. Confirming to finish, confirm audio and video sync and that everyone sees the same content. Adjust volume and app playback if needed. If issues persist, stop SharePlay, close the app, and restart the FaceTime call. This refreshes the session. Make sure participants rejoin with fresh connections and toggle Wi-Fi or use cellular to isolate network problems. If nothing fixes it, reset network settings or sign out and back into Apple ID. That clears persistent authentication or networking faults, so SharePlay works reliably.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.